Porsche heaven. 911 GT2 RS 991 at Garage 11 Malmö. Stunning place, a lot of goodies, even an exclusive Audi exclusive RS4 in a Porsche 964 C Club Sport or RS color. And we have also have the AMG F1 edition. The CL55 F1 edition, which is the first one with ceramic brakes. First standard car with ceramic brakes, I'm quite sure. Lovely collection of Porsches. Lovely spec 911 GT3 RS. .997 Turbo S. Here is a lovely Swedish-old 997 Turbo PDK. It's like 30,000 kilometers. Lovely spec. A few Tech Arts 991 turbos as well. Swedish sold 911 Turbo Cabrio, 930 Cabrio. Stunning. White 993 Turbo. Lovely.